Hello everyone, hope you all guys are healthy and safe at your home. Dear students, I am Trilok Singh, physical education teacher, DPS Lamachot Haldwani. Students, today we are going to discuss unit 2nd physical education of class 12th, which is sports and nutrition. So let's know first why the nutritions are important for an athlete or for a sports person. Then we will talk about the difference nutritions and diet, balanced diet and all. Okay, so first let's know why the nutritions are important for an athlete. Okay, one of the most important aspect in an athlete's life is nutrition. It is generally not taken seriously by the coaches and the players too. Okay, why? Due to lack of knowledge. They don't have good knowledge about the nutrition and all. That's why they don't take it seriously. Okay, nutrition is very important because the body needs fuel to work in form of food. Okay, if the fuel is good quality and the right quantity, it will perform best of its efficiency. Yes, we need nutrition, but in the same time we need it in the proper amount and good nutrition. Okay, quantity and quality will be it must be in a proper way. Efficiency, vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, fat, their significance and how they react inside our body. So these are the nutrients like vitamin, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, fat and extra. These things are nutrients, and how they are working inside our body, that all processes also count. Okay, now let's know a little more and something more about diet, balanced diet and nutrition. What are these terms? Let's know about these all first. So the first is food. What is food? What is called food actually? Food is anything that can be eaten by human being or animal in order to maintain growth is called food. What is food? Anything that can be eaten by human being or animal, but in order to maintain growth is called food. It helps human being or animals to keep alive. Okay, it helps to keep alive to the humans and animals. That is called food. So now what is diet? This is different between food and diet. Now what is diet? Let's know. The sum of the food consumed by an individual or organism per day. Okay, per day whatever the food we are taking, that is called diet. In other words, we can say diet is a prescribed selection of food we taken every day. What is it? Diet is a prescribed selection of food we taken every day. Whatever the food we are taking per day or every day, that is called diet. And whatever anything we can eat or anything an animal can eat, that is in order to maintain the growth, that is called food. Okay, so this is the difference between food and diet. Now let's know what is balanced diet and what is nutrition. Okay, now let's talk about the balanced diet. What is balanced diet? We already told you about the food, what is food, and already told about the diet, what is diet. Now let's know what is balanced diet. Balanced diet, it is a diet that contains all essential components of food in the proper ratio, okay, and preparation to meet the demands of the body. This is very important thing. What is balanced diet? It is a diet that contains all essential components. What are the essential components? These essential components are nutritions. Okay, what are the nutritions? I already told you, like carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, okay, and so many things like calcium, iron, and all. These all should we need in our diet in a proper amount, okay, according to the requirement of our body. So that is called balanced diet. Okay, so this is balanced diet. Now let's know about the nutritions and some types of nutritions. Nutrition and nutrients, these are two different words. One is nutrition, the second is nutrients. What is the difference between these two? Okay, don't be confused in these words whenever the question comes in the exam. So read it very carefully. Okay, it can be nutrition or it can be nutrients. So let's understand what are these. So first, nutrition. It is the process of taking food into the body and observing the nutrients from it. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the process of taking food into the body and observing the nutrients from it. The observing nutrients from the food is called nutrition. Now what is nutrients? Let's know. Nutrients. A nutrient can be defined as components that are needed by our body to grow, survive and carry out different daily activities. Okay, what is nutrients? Nutrients are these components which helps to our body to grow, okay, for surviving, for carrying out of daily activities. Or we can say whatever the components our food contains and which are helpful in the growth and development of our body, these are called nutrients. These components are called nutrients. I hope you understood about the nutrition and nutrients. Okay, so generally our food contains five major nutrients, or you can say five major components. Which are these five? These are vitamin, mineral, carbohydrate, protein and fat. These five our body generally contains. Okay, apart from these five, our food contains water also, fiber also, roughage also. Okay, these all components are very important for our growth and development of our body. Okay, so I hope you understood about the nutrition and nutrients. Okay, so let's know a little more about it. Whenever we talk about the nutrients, there is one term comes malnutrition. What is malnutrition? Let's know. It is a state or condition of an individual in which prolonged lack of one or more sufficient nutrients in the body is seen. It may cause medical conditions such as obesity, anemia, some cancers, etc. It can be divided into two parts: undernutrition or overnutrition. What is malnutrition? If we will say in the easy words, it is a lack of nutrition. Okay, if someone is not getting sufficient nutrition for his growth and development, in that condition we can say that is a malnutrition condition. Okay, it is also divided in two parts, which are undernutrition and another is overnutrition. We can understand with the help of these words, these terms only. Undernutrition means someone is not getting sufficient nutrition whatever his body requires. Okay, in this condition he will suffer with different deformities, different diseases, okay, and different kinds of illness or sickness. And in overnutrition, what happens if someone is getting more than required, what the nutritions and the minerals and all whatever the things are there, he is getting, if it is getting more than required, okay, so in that condition also he is going to be caused by some deformities, diseases like obesity, cancer and different type of things. So this malnutrition is not a good condition for a human being. We can say we need, that's why we already told we need for growth and development of a human being a balanced diet. In balanced diet there is a proper amounts of nutrition, not too much and not too less. So this is all about the diet, balanced diet and nutrition. I hope you understood about these all. So that's all for today. Thank you. Be happy, be healthy.